Go for a walk. Oh yes, it is. Whoa, whoa. Sometimes your finger puppets will fall off your hands. Would you? Hello, and welcome to our Crafty Kids program. Today I am going to show you how to make a dragon finger puppet. Here is what it looks like. And you can pick some of these papers up here at the library. But if you get on our website and go under the Summer Reading Club portion, you will be able to print it off yourself if you are not able to come to the library. So you need to have your paper. You also need something to color it, whether you use crayons or colored pencils or whatever you have. You could use that. You also need some scissors to cut it out, and I found it was easier to go ahead and use some tape for this. So what you'll want to do is just go ahead and start to color your dragon finger puppet, however you want to color it, and you will see that I have one all ready to show you. This is what mine looks like. And I use colored pencils. Sometimes I have found with the colored pencils, the color is just a little bit brighter, and I wanted this to be brighter. Then go ahead and take your scissors. Now I read somewhere that cutting is very hard for some people to do. So just take your time and go around your dragon finger puppet. It is a little bit hard to do. No matter what your age is, it's a little bit hard to do. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Just like this, kind of go around his toes and then go under this way. I always like to have things that are a variety of colors. So that's why I went ahead and did it with this also. Now I'm going around. This is the part that we will use to connect it together. And just do the best that you can at cutting, because it takes a little while. There's some rather tight areas in there to cut out. Going around the other foot and just keep going. Now when I was younger, when I was probably about 10, we did a lot with paper dolls. And we had to cut the paper doll out, and then they had all these different clothes that you could attach onto your paper doll. And I think they may have even had maybe some hats that you could cut out and put on your paper dolls. I don't even know if they make those anymore, but that was really fun. Okay, now I'm over halfway done with this, and I will just keep cutting. Now this would be fun to make if you have a friend over or a brother and sister. Go ahead and let them make a copy of it and color it. Get it all cut out. And then you can have a little bit of a finger puppet play. Okay, that you can make up a story with your finger puppets. Also, if I remember right, I think there may be some finger puppets that you can cut out with our Ellison machine here at the library. That is a machine that we have in a special room that you have to have your parents come in, and they can cut them out for you. All they have to do is bring in some paper, and then they could cut them out. But it's not a dragon. It seems to me maybe it's just like a, maybe it's a little teddy bear if I remember right. Okay. Now I almost have this done. And there we go. All done. Okay, now you want to be able to wrap this around your finger. Now if you look really closely, they have these lines right there. And you're supposed to cut those, cut this and going up and cut this and going down, and then they were supposed to just stay together. Well, I found that that did not work. And so what I ended up doing is using the tape. And I will just cut off or tear off a little piece of tape and put it together so that now my finger puppet dragon will stay together. Just like that. So now you can see his legs. You can almost have them like this. But what is fun is if you go ahead and put your finger in it, okay? So then if you have your friends, you can have a little play. For example, my red dragon says, hello, how are you? And blue dragon says, oh, I am fine, how are you? I'm fine. Would you like to go for a walk? Oh yes, it is. Whoa, whoa. Sometimes your finger puppets will fall off your hands. Would you like to go for a walk? Oh yes, that would be nice. And so then they walk away and they have a wonderful time together. And so this is something that you can make, and I hope you enjoy it. If you would like to have your picture, have your parents take your picture and then send it to the library Facebook, we will post that for you. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.